No, what really are going on at Jamaica? Why is a patty $230 Jamaica? What is the reason for a patty be $230? Some people say inflation, but sure all of the products them where you use to make patty homegrown. So scrap the excuse there. Patty not scarce. So the price not supposed to higher because it limited. And the patty them still look small. So me not understand why patty for be $230. Me supposed to eat the patty there all next week, same way to rotted. Me understand that the dollar depreciate to the US dollar, but if a corona time on a body now work, why not tell me so you so inconsiderate to raise the price of patty just for catch up back within the revenue? A patty should not be $230. Me not understand how things supposed to get more expensive in a pandemic and a body not get no work. One patty can't even full a belly, you have to really buy 2 patty for full a belly. Right now them better start sell quarter patty and all them. Yo, give me a half patty now.
A polygon is a clothes for girl.
For girl, what the look like that talk say? Clothes figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop and put me. You want me tell you stuff to say?
Skilly baby, you on the new tune. Oh yeah, what's your step? We're gonna install a new ground. Blood God! Yo, Skilly, I never even tell us to watch the new ground, dog. Bumbuna! I'm tell us to watch. Hear me I say, you want to record tomorrow, God, doctor?
Yes, sir.
5. Come in.
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just one out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet.
Mr. Dino Crazy? Hello?
You, sir?
Wait. Lime?
No, sir.
Did he sell?
No.
Water Commission?
No, sir.
JPS?
No.
Jehovah Witness?
No, sir.
Whoa!
Sir, I'm from Courts. Mr. Dino Crazy.
Who?
Where can I find Mr. Dino Crazy?
Right place you come, watch out. It's up on the left side, on the right side over there, so?
Yeah.
Over there, so Dino there.
Left.
I swear upon my life over there, so there. Is it me?
Dino! Yo, that TV out bad!
Dino?
Yo! Brother, Dino! Yo, watch out, I'm coming. Leave the shirt.
No,
No!
sir. Yo, team! Attack! Sir,
So what you know all the time too?
everything.
We fall down, but we get up.
Yo, brother, which my mother gone?
She just gone to the bathroom.
Alright, repeat after me.
Man, make sure no foolish shit come with again, bro. Man, relax yourself now, you never make no foolish shit. Of course!
Man, just repeat after me, dog. Ready? Go on. Dagwa market.
Dagwa market.
Man, you're real good batting, brother. When me say anything with dog, you are going to say post. So I say Dagwa
You cannot
market.
tell me what to say, what to know what to say. I just say repeat after you.
Dagwa market.
Puss go a market.
Dog go to school.
Puss go a school.
Dog do him homework.
Puss do homework.
Dog go in him backyard.
Puss go in a backyard.
Dog see hole.
Puss see hole.
But Jesus!
Father God send a message and tell me that I'm not kill him.
When Jamaicans say, "Me soon come, soon may never come." It not gonna come.
Yeah, man. Shit, innocent. That too fake. Yeah.
Alright, brother, what you say? You want a low fade, right? Alright, mad.
Yo, brother, what you say you did have to deal with again? No, man, that's some maintenance, man. I finally get my AC fixed, see?
Yeah, that with unknowing, man, with no AC and them thing then.
Joke, yeah, man. So, what you say? You not use AC?
Yes, you. Man, you tell open my window to me thing, you know.
Open my window, you can't stay there, brother. I love my AC. Alright, I live in Jamaica.
Hey, me believe I have fun. I come here so I get one nice car, my AC in that bum buckler. See, I talk about a natural to me thing, you know. Most of them come up here from Jamaica and you wanna get spoiled. Or the bum buckler me spoil. Cause I want cool in my bum buckler car. Me come from Jamaica, I never come from hell. Why me feel? Yes, if you lock off, if you open me a window, man. Me not open my bum buckler window, go open me a mother. Hey boy, we are talk. Better say me killing at this bum buckler. Better say me kill the first bum buckler. You're a madman. You a madman. You a madman. You a madman. You a madman. Suck my fear.
Don't look palmy. Kiss kitty KY minus plus, bend down guava, suck up syrup. Hey dirty girl, and me one cause your skin chippy and full of virus. If you're a mosquito up and bite back or take back shot. If you see that junk or draw breaks tonight. 5 finger, double finger, middle finger, irks. Go girl, take my like how those take nail. Go girl, change my like how I change my drawers. Chat to my back. You pop down while me still hot. You used to say green like cedar tree. Go green green like your mama. Green like your mama back.
Tantan B.
Yes, mommy.
Me had hurry up on the road. Look on the clock and tell me what time.
130 p.m., mommy.
130 p.m. at my clock. You mean 130?
No, me 130 p.m.
How would you just read clock?
Anti-clockwise.
Jesus.
Shorty a little fatty. She my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty.
Better lock up my gun, man.
I have to go downstairs and ask my mom something real quick. So can you guys just do me a favor and watch Rufus for a sec?
Yeah, man, mama, go on. Me watch Rufus here. Go on, go talk to your mother, mama, on to you. Got to me, G, got to you.
You're the best.
Don't know, mama, go on. Go talk to your mother, man. Watch him for you. Pussy, me go curry your bum buckler here. Me a chop you up with some skeleton. Hey, boy, stop your blood clot nice. Me a curry you. Some white rice with some extra gravy. Me a curry your bum buckler. Pussy, look for me a talk.
Look at his ass with the broom. Excuse me, sir. Where's the shovel?
Shovel? What's a shovel?
It clears up the snow for you easier.
Oh, my bum buckler, bro.
Okay.
Work, man.
You dumbass think you in Jamaica still.
Wash it. You want to eat out a pot? You washing it. And you want to eat out a pot? Come. Wash it.
Yo, what the fuck you doing to this boy?
If you want to eat out a pot, you wash your waist.
Oh, you doing snake boy?
Yo, you know, you're the man said don't eat the apple. The snake said I can't eat it. How you feel? No, look how my pum fat, Adam. Adam, look how my pum fat. Look how my body. Adam, look how my body. Look how my body fat. Look how my body fat, Adam. What are you talking about? Eat the apple. Yo, look how this shit big. I'm gonna try to tell you. Look how I'm trying to tell you. Anaconda. I'm gonna call it anaconda. Yo, your body fat. Yo, your body look good. Yo, Eve, turn on. Palm my body. Good. Yo, bend over. You have 2 holes. Maybe an anaconda for going there. Yeah, but which one? But oh, me if you know that, Adam, just put it in 2 of them. I put it in the top one first.
You know not what you have done.
She